How can I remove multiple segments from a video using FFmpeg? I am trying to delete a few sections of a video using FFmpeg. For example, imagine if you recorded a show on television and wanted to cut out the commercials. This is simple with a GUI video editor. You just mark the beginning and ending of each clip to be removed, and select delete. I am trying to do the same thing from the command line with FFmpeg. I know how to cut a single segment to a new video like so. This cuts a 5-second clip and saves it as a new video file, but how can I do the opposite and save the whole video without the specified clip, and how can I specify multiple clips to be removed? For example, if my video could be represented by FFmpeg, I would like to create a new one that would consist of FFmpeg.
Although the answer provided by K seems to work, I have developed another solution which has proved to work fine. Essentially, what I do is to cut one video for each part of the original video that I want to include on my result. Later, I concatenate them with the concat demuxer explained here. The result is the same as what I tried first but which presented sync problems. What I have added is the command avoid __ts1 when generating the different videos. With this solution, the sync problems disappear.
Well, you still can use the trim filter for that. Here is an example. Let's assume that you want to cut out 3 segments at first and end of the video as well as in the middle. What I did here. I trimmed first 30 seconds, 40 to 50 seconds and 80 seconds to end, and then combined them into stream out 1 with the concat filter, leaving 30 to 40 seconds, 10 seconds, and 50 to 80 seconds, 30 seconds. About steps, we need this because trim does not modify picture display time, and when we cut out 10 seconds decoder counter does not see any frames for this 10 seconds. If you want to have audio too, you have to do the same for audio streams. So the command should be
I can never get K's solution to work, mostly because I can never figure out what the errors from the filters mean or how to fix them. My solution seems a little clunkier because it can leave behind a mess, but if you're throwing it into a script, the cleanup can be automated. I also like this approach because if something goes wrong on step 4, you end up with completed steps 1 to 3, so recovering from errors is a little more efficient. The basic strategy is using T and SS to get videos of each segment you want, then join together all the parts for your final version. Say you have 6 segments ACTF each 5 seconds long and you want A, 0 to 5 seconds, C, 10 to 15 seconds, and E, 20 to 25 seconds, you do this. Or that will make files A.TV show, C.TV show and E.TV show. The T says how long each clip is, so if C is 30 seconds long you could pass in 30 or 0 hours and 30 seconds. The SS option says how far to skip into the source video, so it's always relative to the start of the file. Then once you have a bunch of video files I make a file, acefiles.txt, like this. Note the file at the beginning and the escaped file name after that. Then the command that concats all the files in acefiles.txt together, copying their audio and video codecs and makes a file, ace.tv show, which should just be sections A, C and D. Then just remember to delete acefiles.txt, a.tv show, c.tv show, and e.tv show. Disclaimer, I have no idea how inefficient this is compared to the other approaches in terms of FFmpeg, but for my purposes it works better. Hope it helps someone.
For those having trouble following Ker's approach, there's a slightly more streamlined way to go about it. Rather than concat each step of the way, just do them all at the end. For each input, define a AV pair. Define as many pairs as you need, then concat them all in one pass, where n equals total input count. This can easily be constructed in a loop. A complete command that uses two inputs might look like this.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.